Historically, robot arms are seen in large manufacturing industries. They've been using them for decades. And something that's exciting about technology like the X-Arm is that it makes that accessible for companies like us, smaller companies. Oat Foundry is known for making cool, creative concepts for brands and companies. So one thing we're really looking forward to at the robot arm is to replace the time we spend making small parts so we can free up time to focus on coming up with those clever solutions.
SD3D is a 3D printing company that focuses on prototyping and production needs. Here at SD3D, we run our machines 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So having a robotic arm to be able to work hand in hand with our machines at any point in time is extremely beneficial.
Precision is also an important part of manufacturing when we look at a time bucket analysis of how we assemble components. So we look at the motion waste, and moving parts to make sure that they're in the right place at the right time reduces the amount of waste in our assembly, which saves us money overall.
Utilizing the X-Arm within our factory can help lower costs and increase productivity, and can work well with existing technicians.
Frequently, 3D prints take a long time, hours to finish, and they'll finish printing overnight.
The major points for assembly for 3D printing are taking the parts after they're printed and assembling the parts and getting them ready for shipping.
So rather than having a worker come in to have to do the post-processing in the morning, they can come in to finish parts in the morning. The quality of an employee's work life is going to dramatically increase. They'll be able to focus on absolutely the skilled work they want to do and none of the repetitive process that they already don't like.
The most surprising thing to me regarding the X-Arm is the flexibility, the use cases to be able to switch between a gripper and a screwdriver, the ability to have the camera work hand in hand with the screwdriver, so we can actually have the X-Arm help repair the printers without a technician on site.
You know, having a robot arm that is small and easy to move around is transformative for a business like ours because we would use it, say, in one location near the CNC router in the morning and then move it over to the assembly line in the afternoon.
Knowing the low price point of under $10,000, I'd estimate the X-Arm to be able to save around $20,000 just in the first year.
5 years, 10 years ago, a robot arm like this would have been $50,000. And now seeing what X-Arm's done at a much more compelling price point, it makes that ROI a lot more attractive, especially for small and emerging businesses.
What did we think the future would look like 10 years ago? We thought there would be a way to save up our time and excel at multiple
Hello, I'm Maker Arm, the world's first multifunctional robotic arm that fits anywhere in your workspace. I have changeable tool heads that allow me to do some really neat stuff, and I can help my humans make just about anything. I can 3D print freely since I don't live in a box. I can auto-level so my humans don't have to. I can make things up to 30 inches long and 10 inches tall on any flat surface. I can make high-quality 3D prints with both filament and resin. But I can do a lot more than just 3D printing. I'm great at building the next big thing, like this. I can cut sheets and 3D print corners. I can pick and place sheets and panels together and create a custom PCB. I can solder, assemble components. I can even work with fellow Maker Arms. Voila! Here's our finished project, a custom laptop. I can be operated wirelessly on all of your devices. Plus, my humans can teach me tricks and send me remote instructions. I was made for creative people everywhere. I can make really impressive toys, paint on canvas and fabric, and create custom invites. I can etch glass, engrave plastic and leather, carve metal, and wood. I can also plot designs. And yes, I can even decorate cakes. Another cool thing, my humans can design their own custom tool heads for me. It feels great helping my humans build their dreams, and I would love to see Maker Arms in labs, garages, and tinkering stations everywhere. That's why I'm here on Kickstarter. My makers have spent 2 years perfecting me and my fellow Maker Arms. Right now, we are working prototypes and need to be manufactured so we can be on our way to all you humans. With your help, together we can make anything, anywhere.
What significant role will industrial robots play in the future of smart manufacturing? Will they always be enormous in size and could be dangerous? How about reducing them 10 times smaller so you are in touch with the enhancing future of manufacturing? Mirabot is a 6-axis mini-industrial robotic arm. Equipped with 6 stepper motors, Mirabot can tilt, turn, and access more space than the 3 or 4-axis robotic arms. Using trajectory planning algorithm, Mirabot can follow paths and orientations specified by your program. Though much smaller than typical industrial robots, Mirabot maintains high precision with a repeatability of 0.2 mm. It moves fast and smooth, and is also stable and reliable, with much less trembling as compared to an RC servo robot arm. The makers are most excited about Mirabot because it is open sourced. Everyone can make Mirabot even better. Unlike running an industrial robot that requires complex operational skills, Mirabot is very easy to use. You can choose from 3 controlling methods: or simply connecting to a power source and linking to a controlling device, you can play Mirror Mode in just 1 minute. The Mirror Mode controller is similar to an industrial robot pendant that provides 3 control modes: the joint control mode, coordinate control mode, and teaching mode. The teaching mode is available in both controller and PC software. It allows you to record and replay complex motions. Using a PC, you can further adjust the motion parameters to achieve more complex tasks. How do you program the Mirror Mode? You can use Blockly, G-code, and Python in the software, or programming API by using C, C++, and Java. Try the drawing mode available in the PC software. Demonstrate anything you want Mirror Mode to draw, and it will immediately draw it for you. There are multiple handling tools and drawing tools for installation, such as gripper, suction cup, universal gripper, electromagnet, pen holder, and more. Mirror Mode's workspace can be further expanded by combining conveyor belts, rails, or mobile card. By adopting machine vision based on OpenMV, Mirror Mode can understand faces, colors, and shapes, and then perform appropriate actions. Mirror Mode is also versatile. It can be your artistic companion, sharing with you the joys of art creation. A fan of GoPro, capture something cool with Mirror Mode, so you can experience its dexterity and stability. With all of these functions and add-ons, you can now manufacture an exciting new world. You can place Mirror Mode into fantasy scenes and permit it to display your great ideas. Or you can use it to create something practical, such as assemble it into a production line that manufacture little chess pieces. Safe, compact, easy to use, and precise. This is Mirror Mode, your first 6-axis mini industrial robot arm.
Introducing Dorna, a 5-axis robotic arm. Dorna is a capable, versatile, and affordable robot with a simple and elegant design. Dorna is powerful, fast, and highly accurate. To achieve this level of precision and strength, Dorna is crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum using high-precision CNC machines. Dorna is a versatile robotic arm. You can easily attach different tools through a simple shaft adapter. Take amazingly smooth and dynamic shots with Dorna. Let Dorna help you with your science lab experiments. Use it in your workshop or studio. Dorna can also be your assistant chef. Dorna is perfect for developing and implementing computer vision and machine learning applications. Dorna Lab is a software platform for developing applications and running them on Dorna. With Dorna Lab, you can write scripts for automating your tasks and simulate your applications before executing them on Dorna. The current version of Dorna is the result of many rounds of iterations and prototyping, and we think we have a fully functional and stable design.
Hi, my name is Sadek and I am the founder of Dorna. To make Dorna successful and affordable, we need to make parts in large quantities. And for that, we need your help. Please support us on Kickstarter and help us bring Dorna to life. We are excited to see what you can do with your Dorna.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.